About that. I had to help out in the classroom and I can't pause these videos. So every time I stop them, I have to start a whole new one. All right, so we are on C. All right, C in part 3. The train traveled 230 miles farther than the car. So let's go ahead and read it without the number in it. The train traveled farther than the car. So which one traveled farther? The train. I'm going to put a T for train. And then a C for car. What is my difference number? My difference number goes here. 230 miles. All right, let's go ahead and do D. The monkey was 14 inches shorter than the chimp. Let's read it without the circled number. The monkey was shorter than the chimp. So I know my chimp was bigger than my monkey. What was my difference number? 14 inches. Okay, so that's how you plug those in. Let's go see. All right, let's go ahead and find part 4. This table shows the number of ranges that were in Hill City and Donner County, or Hill County and Donner County during July and August. Some of the questions ask you to compare counties or months. Remember, find the name in the question, go to the right row or column, find the number, and then answer the question. Your turn. Use lined paper. Write your answers to the questions in part 4. Then we are going to jump over to our workbook page. All right, part 1 on our workbook page here. Those really fun grid problems. Let me get this out of the way. I think by now most of you guys should be able to do these all on your own. But I will still help you just so we can be sure that we got them. These are our totals. All right. So remember, we are going to have to try and fill in the numbers that are missing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start here. Okay, I'm missing a small number, so I have to work backwards. So 71 minus 22. There's more on the floor. You're going to have to go next door and borrow. Whatever you get for that answer goes in this box. Then let's work downwards. This is my big number, 138. So 138 minus 22. 138 minus 22. Don't have to borrow here, but whatever your answer is going to go in this box. All right, now you have to get one of these. So when you get the answer and it goes in here, you can add this number and this number to reach this number. And then for this one, you can add this number and this number to reach this number. I want you to go ahead and complete that. When you're finished, we're going to jump to part 2. All of these multiplication problems start with 9. The second number is missing. To complete this problem, you have to divide. 36 divided by 9 is blank. 18 divided by 9 is blank. Go ahead and complete that portion on your own. Part 3. All right, you are going to write the fractions for the whole numbers here. Remember, you are going to count how many parts from 0 to 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is my bottom number. Find out my top numbers, because now I have a fraction under 0. I have to multiply the bottom number by the top number. So it will be 6 times 0 equals what? 0. Then 6 times 1 equals what? 6 times 2 equals what? 6 times 3 equals what? Go ahead and complete the rest of these problems on your own. There is another portion here. These are independent work problems, parts 4 and 5. When you are finished, jump back into your textbook. You do have some independent work problems there as well. When you are all done with all of those problems, you are finished. You may go ahead and submit those to your teacher.